Making Chana Dal laddu with jaggery is easy and healthy. It is packed with B vitamins, proteins, and fiber. You will need to soak Chana Dal overnight or for 5 to 6 hours, then strain and dry roast for 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and saute until the dal turns aromatic and crunchy. It's time to powder the roasted Chana Dal. Keep it aside. Let's roast the powder once again with 1 tablespoon more of ghee. If you want, you may use more ghee. I have added only 2 tablespoons of ghee in total to make Chana Dal laddu with jaggery. You may add melon seeds or nuts of choice to make Chana Dal laddu more nutritious and yum. Keep aside when it becomes aromatic. Make jaggery syrup with half cup of jaggery or gur and 3 tablespoons of water. Mix with Chana Dal when jaggery turns to bubble. Turn off the flame, make laddu when the mixture is still warm. Enjoy a Chana Dal besan laddu as a healthy Diwali sweet recipe to treat your guests. I hope you enjoyed making besan laddu with jaggery.